Are you tired of trying diets that don't work or aren't sustainable? It's time to ditch the quick fixes and embrace a lifestyle change. Losing weight and keeping it off is about making healthy choices you can maintain. This means finding a balance that fuels your body and helps you feel your best. In this essay, we will explore a simple yet effective approach to fast and sustainable weight loss. We'll cover the importance of a moderate calorie deficit, balanced macronutrients, and nutrient-dense foods. I'll even provide a sample diet plan and practical tips to help you stay consistent on your journey. The key to successful weight loss is a calorie deficit. This concept is simple, yet powerful. By consuming fewer calories than your body burns, you create a negative energy balance, which forces your body to use stored fat for energy. This is the fundamental principle behind all weight loss strategies. This means consuming fewer calories than your body burns. To achieve this, you can either reduce your calorie intake, increase your physical activity, or ideally, do both. Using tools like calorie counter apps can help you track your intake and stay on target. Aim for a deficit of 500 to 750 calories per day. This range is considered safe and effective for most people, promoting a steady weight loss of about 1 to 1.5 pounds per week. It's important to avoid extreme calorie deficits, as they can lead to muscle loss, nutritional deficiencies, and other health issues. This range promotes healthy weight loss without feeling overly restricted. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods, you can eat satisfying meals that keep you full and energized while still maintaining a calorie deficit. However, it's not just about eating less. It's about eating right. The quality of the calories you consume is just as important as the quantity. Nutrient-dense foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that support overall health and well-being. Macronutrients, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, play a vital role in providing energy and supporting various bodily functions. Each macronutrient has a unique role in the body, and a balanced diet includes all three in the right proportions. Protein. Chicken, fish, beans, and tofu are excellent sources of protein, crucial for building and repairing tissues and keeping you feeling full. Protein also helps maintain muscle mass, especially important when you're in a calorie deficit. Carbohydrates. Choose complex carbohydrates like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains over refined grains. Complex carbs provide a steady release of energy, helping to keep your blood sugar levels stable and preventing energy crashes. These provide sustained energy and essential fiber. Fiber is important for digestive health and can help you feel full longer, making it easier to stick to your calorie goals. Fats. Healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil are essential for hormone production and nutrient absorption. Including healthy fats in your diet can also help you feel satisfied and reduce cravings for unhealthy foods. Let's put these principles into action with a sample diet plan. A well-balanced diet is essential for maintaining good health and energy levels throughout the day. By carefully selecting nutrient-dense foods, you can ensure that your body gets the vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients it needs to function optimally. Breakfast oatmeal with almond butter and fresh berries. This breakfast provides complex carbs, healthy fats, and fiber to keep you energized. Oatmeal is a great source of slow-releasing carbohydrates, which help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Adding almond butter introduces healthy fats that support brain function, while fresh berries are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that boost your immune system. Lunch grilled chicken salad with mixed greens and avocado. The lean protein in chicken promotes satiety, while the salad provides essential vitamins and minerals. Mixed greens are rich in fiber, aiding digestion, and avocados offer heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. This combination not only keeps you full, but also supports overall health and well-being. Dinner baked salmon, quinoa, and steamed broccoli. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart health and reducing inflammation. Quinoa is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids, making it an excellent choice for muscle repair and growth. Broccoli is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, supporting immune function and overall health. Snacks. Choose nutrient-dense snacks like Greek yogurt, a handful of nuts, or carrot sticks with hummus. Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics, which promote gut health. Nuts provide a good source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, helping to keep you satisfied between meals. Carrot sticks with hummus are another excellent option, offering a crunchy, satisfying snack that's rich in vitamins and minerals. Hummus, made from chickpeas, is a great source of plant-based protein and fiber. These snacks help manage hunger and prevent overeating at meals, ensuring you stay on track with your healthy eating goals. Section 4. Staying on track, tips for long-term success. Achieving long-term success in any endeavor requires a combination of planning, consistency, and adaptability. Whether you're aiming for weight loss, career growth, or personal development, these principles remain the same. Consistency is key for sustainable weight loss. It's not about making drastic changes overnight, but about making small, manageable adjustments that you can stick to over time. Regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and a positive mindset are essential components. Plan your meals and snacks in advance to avoid impulsive, unhealthy choices. Meal prepping can save you time and ensure you always have nutritious options on hand. Consider setting aside a specific day each week to plan and prepare your meals. Hydration is also crucial. Aim for 8 glasses of water daily. Staying hydrated helps maintain your energy levels, supports digestion, and can even improve your skin health. Carry a water bottle with you to make it easier to meet your hydration goals. It aids digestion, boosts metabolism, and can help curb cravings. Drinking water before meals can also help you feel fuller, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Remember, sometimes thirst is mistaken for hunger, so drink water regularly throughout the day. Don't underestimate the power of sleep. Quality sleep is essential for overall health and well-being. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep per night to allow your body to recover and rejuvenate. Establish a bedtime routine to improve your sleep quality. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the hunger hormone ghrelin and less of the satiety hormone leptin, leading to increased cravings and potential weight gain. Lack of sleep can also affect your mood and energy levels, making it harder to stay on track with your goals. Remember, this is a lifestyle change, not a quick fix. Sustainable success comes from making healthy choices consistently over time. Focus on building habits that support your long-term goals rather than seeking immediate results. Avoid extreme diet restrictions, which can lead to nutrient deficiencies and rebound weight gain. Instead, aim for a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods to ensure you're getting all the nutrients your body needs. Track your progress using a journal or app to stay motivated and identify areas for adjustment. Regularly reviewing your progress can help you stay accountable and make necessary changes to your plan. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, to keep yourself motivated on your journey to long-term success. Section 5. Your journey to a healthier you. Embark on this journey with a positive mindset and realistic expectations. Weight loss is not always linear, there will be ups and downs. Celebrate your successes, learn from any setbacks, and remember that every healthy choice you make brings you closer to your goals. Are you ready to commit to a healthier, happier you? Try out this plan and let me know how it works for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your healthy meal ideas in the comments below.